Good morning everyone. Welcome to Nirmala Convent School. I am Mansi Sen, your business studies teacher. In business studies, chapter 1 Business, Trade and Commerce. Students, in chapter 1 there are two sections. Section 1 History of Trade and Commerce and section 2 Nature and Concept of Business. First of all, we have start section 2 because it's easy to understand. So, nature and concept of business. Now students, in every society, people undertake various activities to satisfy their needs. These activities are known as human activities. These activities may be broadly classified into two groups. First one is economic activities and second is non-economic activities. Economic activities are those by which we can earn our livelihood, whereas non-economic activities are performed out of love, sympathy, sentiments, etc. For example, a worker working in a factory, a doctor operating in his clinic, a manager working in an office, and a teacher teaching in a school are doing so to earn their livelihoods and are therefore engaged in an economic activities. The purpose and the main object of economic activity is to earn money, is to earn profit. But in the other hand, non-economic activities are best and performed out of love, sympathy, and sentiments. For example, a housewife cooking food for her family, a boy helping an old man cross the road, are performing non economic activities since they are doing so out of love and sympathy. So, this is the basic difference between economic activities and non economic activities. Students, economic activities are bifurcated into three groups. First is business, second is profession, and third is employment. First of all, we have studied about business. What is business? Business is an economic activity which is concerned with providing goods and services to the society with the main aim of earning profit. So, students, do you understand what is business? Business is a place where a businessman doing economic activity, the main purpose of business is to earn profit. In business, we are dealing with goods and services and providing goods and services to the society. What is the motto of business? Is to earn profit. Now, what is the main characteristics of business? So, there are some characteristics of business. First one is economic activity. So, what do you mean by economic activities? In order to operate, how business activity is different from other activities in society, the nature of business or its fundamental character must be explained in terms of its distinguishing characteristics, which are as follows. First one is economic activity. And economic activity, business is considered to be an economic activity because it is undertaken with the object of earning money or livelihood and not out of love, affection, sympathy and other emotion. So we can say that business is an economic activities because the main purpose of business is to earn money. Second point is, students, production or procurement of goods and services. Before goods are offered to people for consumption, these must be either produced all produced by business enterprises. Thus, every business enterprise either manufactures the goods it deals in or acquires them from producer to be further sold to consumers or users. So, goods may consist of consumable items of daily use such as sugar, ghee, pen, notebook, etc., or capital goods like machinery, furniture, etc. Service may be included facilities offered to consumers, business firms, and organizations in the form of transportation, banking, electricity, etc. So, second point is production or procurement of goods and services. Third is sale or exchange of goods and services. Directly or indirectly, business involves transfer or exchange of goods and services for value. If goods are produced not for the purpose of sale but for personal consumption, it can't be called a business activity. Cooking at home for the family, it's not a business. But cooking food but cooking food and selling it to others in a restaurant is a business. Thus, one essential characteristic of business is that there should be sale or exchange of goods or services between the seller and the buyer. Now, the fourth and most important characteristics of business is dealing in goods and services on a regular basis. Business involves dealing in goods or services on regular basis. One single transaction of sale or purchase therefore does not constitute business. Thus, for example, if a person sells his or her domestic radio set even at a profit, it will be considered a business activity. It will not be considered is this activity as a business activity because he is not dealing the activity on regular basis. If the person is dealing in goods and services on regular basis, so that we can say that these kind of activities are business activity. So the fourth point is dealing in goods and services on regular basis. It's most important characteristics of business. Next, uncertainty of return. What do you mean by uncertainty of return? Of return refers to the lack of knowledge related to the amount of money that the business is going to earn in a given period. Every business invested money, it means capital, to run its activities, but the object of earning profit with the object of earning profit, but it is not certain as to what amount of profit will be earned. Also, there is always a possibility of losses. So, if you are opening a business, so there is the uncertainty of return. Whatever amount you have invested in your business, there is the chance of profit as well as loss. Sixth element of risk. What do you mean by risk? Risk is the uncertainty associated with an exposure to loss. It means there is uncertainty about the future. That's why the main element of risk is in business. Risks are related with factors like changing in consumers' taste, fashion, change in method of production, strike, fire, theft, accidents, and some other causes. No business can altogether do away with risk. If you are doing a business, so there is one element is always there, that is risk. No business, no risk. If you are taking high risk, so you can earn high amount of profit. It may be possible, but the losses are also included in the business. There is the uncertainty of risk, uncertainty of return. So for again we will classify all the things and summarizing economic activities. It means it's the profit earning motive is there in business. Production and procurement of goods and services are included in business. Sale or exchange of goods in regular basis, daily basis, uncertainty of return, and the element of risk. So today we have discussed about human activities, what is business, and what are the main characteristics of business. So students, today's class is over here. We will meet with another video. Thank you so much.